Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world where raw power meets refined design, the Hummer H6 stands as a bold testament to off-road mastery and urban sophistication. This H6 is defined by its commanding stance, resilient construction, and an unmistakable presence that appeals to both rugged adventurers and discerning drivers. It boasts robust features such as a reinforced steel frame, advanced four-wheel drive, and cutting-edge safety systems that promise confidence on any terrain. The exterior design unfolds step by step. A formidable front grille paired with angular LED headlamps sets an aggressive tone, while chiseled body contours and muscular fenders reveal a harmonious blend of strength and style. Advantages include a striking, unmistakable look and exceptional ground clearance, though its bulky proportions may hinder nimble maneuvering in tight urban settings. Inside, the Hummer H6 presents a cabin that marries durability with modern technology. A large, intuitive touchscreen dominates the dashboard, offering real-time off-road analytics and seamless connectivity. High-quality materials, water-resistant seating, and ergonomic controls create a comfortable environment ideal for long journeys. Yet some design choices, like minimal physical controls, may challenge traditionalists. Performance-wise, the H6 commands attention with its powerful engine, delivering robust torque and responsive acceleration while maintaining a balanced top speed. Its advanced suspension and adaptive traction systems provide a smooth ride even on rugged paths, though occasional maintenance of off-road components has been noted. Positioned to attract drivers aged 30 to 60, the Hummer H6 balances adventure with luxury, competing with other premium off-roaders while carving its unique identity. Additional features include customizable off-road packages, an extended warranty plan, and smart accessories such as integrated winches and roof racks, making it a versatile choice for both daily commutes and daring escapades.